Ever wondered how turbochargers and superchargers work in cars? These are fascinating devices that sit under the hood of your vehicle, and their main goal is to enhance the engine's power output. Now, you might be asking, how do they do that? It's pretty simple, really. Both turbochargers and superchargers function by forcing more air into the engine's combustion chamber. This process allows the engine to burn more fuel each time it fires. As a result, the engine can produce more power, giving your car that extra punch when you hit the gas pedal. Think of it like this: the more air and fuel you can pack into the engine, the bigger the bang from each combustion cycle, and consequently, the more power generated. So as you can see, turbochargers and superchargers play a crucial role in ramping up your vehicle's performance. So what's the difference between a turbocharger and a supercharger? Turbochargers, a term you've probably heard if you're a car enthusiast. These powerful devices are a marvel of engineering, designed to boost the efficiency and performance of your engine. But how do they work? Well, it's all about harnessing the waste energy that your engine produces. When your car's engine runs, it emits exhaust gases. These gases, instead of being expelled, are directed towards the turbocharger, where they spin a turbine. This turbine is mechanically linked to an air compressor, located at the other end of the turbocharger. As the turbine spins, it drives the compressor, which in turn sucks in and compresses fresh air. This compressed air, denser with oxygen, is then forced into the combustion chamber. With more oxygen available, the engine can burn fuel more efficiently, resulting in a significant increase in power output. That's the beauty of turbochargers. They turn waste into power. Now, let's shift gears and delve into the world of superchargers. Superchargers, another intriguing aspect of car engineering. At their core, superchargers are all about increasing power. But unlike turbochargers, which use exhaust gases, superchargers get their power directly from the engine via a belt drive. This direct connection allows superchargers to provide an instant increase in horsepower. Now, how does this work? Well, the supercharger uses its belt drive to spin its compressor, forcing more air into the engine's combustion chamber. With more air available, the engine can burn more fuel during each combustion cycle. And as we know, burning more fuel translates to producing more power. But it's not just about power. Superchargers also offer better throttle response and can generate power at a wider range of engine speeds. This makes them a popular choice among car enthusiasts looking for that extra punch on the road or the track. So, we've seen how turbochargers and superchargers work, but what are the key points to remember? Boosting engine power with turbochargers and superchargers. Interesting, isn't it? We've delved deep into the mechanics of both these powerhouses, and it's clear that they share a common goal: to cram more air into your engine's combustion chamber, giving you that extra punch of power. Remember, turbochargers leverage the exhaust gas, harnessing its energy to spin a turbine and thus compressing the intake air. It's a neat way of recycling energy that would otherwise be lost. But they may suffer from lag due to the time it takes for the exhaust to build up pressure. On the other hand, superchargers are driven directly by the engine via a belt, providing immediate response. However, they can put a strain on the engine because they draw power to function. Both have their unique benefits and drawbacks, and the choice between the two depends on your specific needs and preferences. And that wraps up our turbocharged and supercharged journey, empowering your car knowledge and fueling your passion for speed.